Today I'm going to show you how to make your own GIF for Discord. First, open up your browser and go to giphy.com. If you don't already have an account, just make one, it's free. You can also log in using Facebook or Apple if that's easier. Once you're in, look for the Create button at the top. Click that, then pick the GIF option. Now you can either upload a video or image from your computer, or you can paste a link from YouTube, Vimeo, or even another GIF. If you're using a still image, you'll need to add something animated, like a sticker or some text that moves, to turn it into a GIF. Giphy won't treat it as a GIF otherwise. Now the fun part, customize it however you want. Add stickers, text, filters, whatever fits the vibe you're going for. You can change the font, colors, size, all that stuff. When you're happy with it, hit continue to upload, then click upload to Giphy. Once it's uploaded, just copy the link they give you. Now head over to Discord, paste the link into a message, and it'll show up as an animated GIF automatically. One extra tip, after you send the GIF, you can add it to your Giphy favorites. Then in Discord, click the GIF icon, go to the Favorites tab, and you'll always have it handy to reuse.